It's an amazing Friday morning, and you are welcome once again to our STEM series. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where in the world you're joining us from. It's an absolute pleasure to have you all here today. Estela Hilda Anaman is my name, and I'm the coordinator for American Corner Abuba. And I'm so honored to be your moderator for this insightful discussion. So I'm presenting live from American Corner Abuba, which is part of the American Space, which provides access to current information about the United States through book collections, internet access, events, and activities for everyone. So it's safe to say that artificial intelligence is here to stay, and understanding the latest advancements in AI and how they can propel your business forward is absolutely essential. And all the insights you're going to gain today in this session could be a game changer your company needs. So we kindly entreat that you share the link within your network so that we can all advance together. So our facilitator for today's session is Eric Appiah. He's an IT consultant, and he'll be taking us through the AI tools for business growth. And this is the part 2 of that session. Eric Appiah is a seasoned technology professional with a BSc in computer science from Ghana Institute of Science of Management and Public Administration. His expertise spans from leadership, cybersecurity, and IT consulting. As Executive Director at Appiah Information Technology Systems, he combines technology and business acumen to drive success. He holds certifications including Certified Network Security Specialist and ISO IEC 27001 Information Security Associate. So before we jump into what we have for today, during the session, please type all your comments and questions in the comment box below, and they'll be well addressed. Thank you so much for staying with us always, and over to you, Eric.
All right, thank you, Estela. First of all, I would like to thank the U.S. Embassy Ghana for this opportunity to present on AI tools for business growth. I would also like to thank Mobile Web Ghana for this opportunity. This is a part 2 of the training, and the first video or the presentation is on US Embassy Facebook page, so you can search for it. So what do we have for today? This is a part 2. The outline for this presentation is introduction. I'll be doing presentation on AI tools, on graphic design, image generator, user experience design, marketing, video editing, research, and then audio. So by the end of this presentation, you should be able to use AI tools to do your graphic design in your business, to use AI tools to generate images, all sorts of images for your product design and so on and so forth. And then you should also be able to use AI tools to do your mobile app design, interface design, or the user experience design for your business and product. You should know and be able to use AI tools for social media marketing, and then also video editing, and then research. Hi.
Yes, just a quick one. Can you kindly put your presentation in the mode, presentation mode, your screen? It's
all right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right. Okay. And then audio. So first of all, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a broad field of computer science focused on building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So with AI, they are trained on tasks that human will do. So for example, human being will design graphics. So what the human being will go through to design the graphics, we will train the computer to be able to do that. And then the computer will be able to do that without requiring the human intelligence. Okay, so we are on graphic design. For graphic design, we have AI tools such as the Microsoft Design, we have Canva, we have Flare AI, we have ClipDrop, we have Boot AI, we have AutoDraw, we have Photoshop AI. So these are AI tools that you can use to do your graphic design. And for practicals, I'll be using Microsoft Designer as a tool. You could also use Canva, and then Canva has a feature called the Canva Magic, which can help you to generate graphics instantly. For this presentation, let's open Microsoft Designer and see how to use Microsoft Designer. So I will share my photo, my screen. Okay, so for Microsoft Designer, you go to designer.microsoft.com, or you can Google Microsoft Designer, and then you come to the page. So this is the page for Microsoft Designer. So there are tools. We have the image creator, we have the sticker creator, and we have the design creator. You can remove a background, and then you have the brand kit creator. These are tools to help the creatives to be able to generate your graphics instead of hiring a professional, or if you're a professional, this should be able to help you to quickly design graphics within minutes. So if you open the design creator, you'll be given this interface where you write a prompt, and then the prompt will, the AI would, with your prompt, design something for you. So let's test it out. I want to create a professional. So this is a prompt, okay? So you write your prompt here, you click on generate, and then the AI tool will, within minutes, generate a graphics or design for you. And then there are several other options that are available. So let's see, create a professional flyer for an organization celebrating International Women's Day, use purple, green. So you could see that I'm giving the AI to the prompt with the details on how I want the flyer to look like, okay? So I'll click on generate. So I'm generating a flyer for International Women's Day for an organization. One good thing about this tool is that after it has generated, it gives you the ability to edit the design. So you could see these are, so within minutes, I have several designs over here. Okay, within minutes, I can choose one of the design and I will customize the design. Okay, so when you click customize design, so this is where you can change the pictures, you can change the colors, okay, to whatever you want, all right? You can change it to whatever you want, okay? You can give it a logo. So this is like, within minutes, you would have designed, and then look to your right, you could see that there are several other options that you can choose, and then customize, and then you can download and you can send to your clients, or if you are a business owner, you can share it with your clients. Okay, so the tool is Microsoft Designer. Let's move to the next one. So the next one is image generator. So in your business, you would want to generate images, okay, for your products, for your website, for your product, and so on and so forth. These are the tools. We have the Leap AI, we have the Lens Grow AI, you have the Midjourney AI. This is a very popular tool, a great tool that is being used by all artists across the world, and then designers as well. We have Copilot, can also do design. We have DALL-E 3. We have Lexica.art. We have the Clip Drop, and then we have the Image Upscaler. So some of the tools, after generating the image, the size of the image wouldn't be that good. So you use this tool, Image Upscaler, to upscale your image to the highest resolution that you want. So for this practical purpose, I'll be using Lexica.art. So let's see how Lexica.art works. So Lexica.art. All right, so this is Lexica.art, okay? Lexica.art is a tool, is an AI tool that helps you to generate images using prompts, okay? So these are, on the homepage, you could see images that have been generated by people. And then when you hover your mouse on the image, you can see the prompt that was used by the user. So you could copy the prompt, or you can look at how what the person typed to get exactly the image. Okay, so look at this, and then so on and so forth. All right. So if you are into comics, you can create Spider-Man, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for this purpose, you can, if you want to generate an image, you click on generate. Let's try and see. Let's copy this prompt and see what will happen. So you click on generate, and then when you click on generate, you will see a prompt. So you give it a prompt. So an example, a cute mouse pilot wearing. So that is an example. You could also type in your prompt that you want. I just copied from the other prompt, and then you could see. So a Russian gray cat playing in. So this is the prompts, and then you click on generate. But before that, you would want to choose the dimensions, okay? And then you click on generate. And then the tool with the prompt you've given to it will generate based on the prompt. So you could see. So initially it gives you like 4 different ideas for you to choose from. And any of them can be downloaded, or you could regenerate variations of a particular design or prompt that it has generated. Okay, so that is it. You could also, okay, so an image of Kwame Nkrumah from Ghana. Okay. Sitting on a throne. So you can give it any prompt that you want, and the AI will generate the image for you to be able to share it or use it for whatever you want, okay? So this is it. Can you see? So the prompt was what? An image of Kwame Nkrumah from Ghana sitting on the throne. So I don't know whether this picture looks like Kwame Nkrumah, but this is the close that you can get. And then it also gives you the ability to upload a picture and then tell it to generate based on the picture. So you could see this closely resemble Kwame Nkrumah. All right, so this tool can be used to generate whatever image that you want for your product for your websites, for your business, whatever it is, okay? And just imagine and then write the prompts for the imagination. And then the tool will imagine and then give you the image that you want. So the next one on our list is UI, user UX design. So that is user interface, user experience design. All right, so for the user experience design, these are AI tools that are used to design interface for app product or product design, okay? So the AI tools are UiZard, we have UI Magic, we have Instant AI, we have Galileo AI, we have Photoshop AI. All right, so for this purpose, let's use UiZard to design the product experience or user interface design. So let me share my screen once again, and then so once I'm done. So UiZard, okay, so let's, all right, so you can see from my screen, the UiZard visualize product ideas fast and easy with AI. So you can use UiZard to design the interface of your product, okay? So you could see an example here. This is an interface of a product, the sign-in page, and on. So after generating for you, it can also help you to customize. And then after getting the image of the product, you can also get the code of the design. Such a great tool, okay? That can help you to generate user experience or user in minutes, okay? Instead of hiring a front-end. So if you're a front-end designer, this is a great tool for you to be able to design products within minutes and then give it to your client at a professional's fee. All right, so this is it. So you could generate any, by giving it a prompt, okay? Any prompt that you want, you can give it, and then, so let's see. Front end design of a ride hailing app.
And so whilst we wait for the screen to load, we can just drop our questions in the chat box. Have you used any of these tools before? Okay. Are we good to go, Eric?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay, so the next session is so they'll ask questions and then use that. So the questions, onboarding questions, okay? So what kind of job do you do? UX designs or role, you could choose any of the role, team manager, work or personal, any of them. Skip for now. Choose any of them. And then, okay, skip for now. Okay, so this is the screen. You can choose from templates, and then so these are a very good tool for your front-end designs. For your front-end designs, and then you are good to go. So the next one on our presentation is the marketing. So for digital marketing, you would want an AI tool that can help you to simplify. First of all, it can create your content, schedule, and then publish your content for you. So for digital marketing tools, we have Pencil, we have AdCopy, we have Simplified, we have Ad Creative. And then for this presentation purpose, I'm going to use Simplified. Let me share the screen again and then move to Simplified. So Simplified is a great platform for you to schedule your, first of all, it can help you to write your social media posts. It can help you to publish the social media and so on and so forth, okay? So first of all, what will happen is that it will let you connect your social media accounts. And then after connecting your social media account, what you do is you write content, schedule the content, and then it will publish the content for you. One thing I like about this app, AI app, is that you could schedule a post to publish at a certain time. So what I do is that I create content for each day, each and every day in the week, and then I will schedule it, and then the AI will automatically be posting the content every 6 a.m. It's a very great tool, Simplified. I think you should try it. If you are a digital marketer, this is a great tool to help you with efficiency, and then so that all your clients, you schedule all the posts for your clients. The AI tool will help you to create the content, will help you to schedule, and then will post on your behalf whilst you are probably sleeping or doing another thing else. Okay, so the next one we have is, let me also introduce you for this purpose. We also have Ad Creative. Ad Creative is also another great tool that can help you to generate your products, videos for your products, social media, ad text, so copywriting stuff, and then ad package. And then you can also do batch creatives. So Ad Creative is also a very good tool. All right. I think you should also use the Ad Creatives as well, especially for digital marketers and then business owners. Okay, so the next one we have is video editing. This is a good one. So for video editing, we have AI tools like 85. We have InVideo, we have HeyGen, we have Runway ML, we have Morph Studio, we have Creatify AI, we have CapCut. And the AI tool we are going to use today is Creatify AI. But we also have great tools like InVideo and then HeyGen and Runway. So with InVideo, you could just give it a prompt. It will generate the AI video for you, realistic, hyper-realistic AI video for your products. And then you could share the video with your clients on social media and so on and so forth. So for this purpose, let's use Creatify. Okay, let's use Creatify to Creatify. Okay, so Creatify tools. Estella, the questions can come in whilst this is loading.
Okay, so getting right to our first question. Someone is asking, this is from Mental Health Matters. The person is asking, what AI tools can I use for illustration of storybooks?
Storybooks.
Yeah.
Okay, so for storybooks, for the story, for the scripts of the story, you can use ChatGPT can help you with that. Yes, for the story, you can also use the Google Gemini, and then the Copilot for the scripts. Okay, and then for the art, you know, stories you have. I don't know whether it's comic stories or whatever, but for the art of the story, you can use for the art, you can use I've forgotten. I have to go back and check. One of these design that I introduced, Lexica.art, and then Midjourney as well. Midjourney for the art. So just in your own imagination, give it a prompt, and then it will create the scripts, and then also scripts will be used with ChatGPT, and then the art will be used. You use Midjourney or Lexica.art for the art, all right, for the image art, all right. Do you have another question?
Okay, I don't know, but probably you could just go over it again so that the person can put it down. Yes.
Okay, so I'm saying that for your scripts, you can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini, okay? And then for the art, you can use Lexica.art, or you can also use Midjourney.
Right, so that is noted. Yes, so he or she has a follow-up question. It says, are all these AI tools for free?
Oh, okay, there's a free version, okay? So if you want any extra features, then you'll have to pay a few dollars to get it. I'm sure they do it mostly from $10 to $20 per month. But if you are using it for your business, that is commercial, you are getting money, a professional, that small fee is to help you the efficiency. I think you should go with that. Okay.
Yes, and so this is another question from Yao. He's saying the simplified app, is there a free version? And how much is a paid version, please?
Yes, so for simplified, okay, so let me open it again. Simplified, there's a free version. The free version gives you the ability to link up to, I think, 3 or 4 pages, okay? And then with the upgrade, you see, with the upgrade, I think $24 per month, yes. So $24 per month. And then you can, I think monthly is $24 per month. Okay. But you have free version. Free version is, I think 3 or 4 pages. Is that fine?
I think that is well seen. But still to our questions, I wanted to ask regarding the prices that we have for some of these tools which are not free. How can you provide a guidance for selecting the right tools in terms of, if somebody is a startup, how can they look at selecting the right tools for the industry or their company size and so forth in terms of paying for these tools?
Okay, so throughout the presentation, I highlighted the very good tools that you can use. But before you would want to go to to pay for a tool, you will have to check the features and then compared with the free version. If you can get a free version of the tool there's no need from elsewhere. There's no need to pay for the two. So, for example, ChatGPT has a paid version and there is a free version. The free version can equally do what the paid version can do, but extra features. So if you need the extra features, then of course you have to pay. But if you are doing something that does not require any of the extra features, you can stay with the free version, and then if for what you are doing requires that you connect to the internet, you can use Google Gemini. That is for free. There is a paid version as well, but the free version can help you with whatever you want to do. It will connect to the internet to do whatever, fetch information, analyze the information, and then present it for you.
Okay. All right. So are we good to go with the next two?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the Creatify Studio. For Creatify, we are creating a video that will help us to market our product. Okay. Now, for the product, they are going to give us, for this particular tool, they are going to give us an AI character that will read or present our video for us. Okay, so let's okay, so the name of the product, let's use so the name of the product, let's say Chris's store. Let's load again today too. Okay, so let's move on once it loads, and then all right. So for audio, we have 11 AI tools such as Lovo AI, 11 Labs. We have Songbest AI. We have Adobe Podcast. We have the Math AI. For the audio, a very good tool is the 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a very good AI tool for your audio in case you are doing any product that requires audio to read scripts, audio voice to read scripts, and so on and so forth. Now, you don't have to hire a script reader anymore. All you have to do is to get a minute, Firefox. So 11 Labs. Okay. So that is it. 11 Labs. All right. So for 11 Labs, you either give it a script or you can generate the script from ChatGPT or any of the text generating, and then you paste the script here. So you paste the script, and then it can read the script for you. You can download the script. Okay. And then it's a very good tool. You can choose from several voices.
Convert text to speech online for free with our AI voice generator. Create natural AI voices instantly in any language. Perfect for video creators, developers, and businesses. Convert text.
So this AI voice generator is a very good tool. natural voice. It will give you voice in a natural voice that will read your scripts or text, and then you can use it for several things such as product description, AI, YouTube automation, one of the good tools they are using. So with YouTube automation, you could see that some of the YouTube videos, there seem to be some kind of voice that is reading the scripts, a very good voice that is reading the script with pictures and then describing scenes and so on and so forth. So what they do is that they use 11 Labs to generate the scripts, and then they edit it with pictures, okay? So with the pictures and then with the script, you can get a very good video, upload it onto YouTube, and then monetize it. So a lot of people are making money from that YouTube automation. They call it YouTube automation. You wouldn't have to read it yourself. The AI would do it within minutes, edit, and then put the correct images or videos, and then come up with the final video, upload on YouTube, and then do the next one. So this is a very great tool, 11 Labs. And then before I forget, the languages. So there are several languages: English, Chinese, Spanish, Portuguese, several languages, main languages in the world: French, German, Japanese, Arabic, Russian, Korean, and so on and so forth. That will read in natural tone, okay? So for whatever that you want, and then for which audience you are presenting your products, okay? So it is also good for those of you who want to do audiobooks, videos, and then gaming, and then AI chatbots as well, okay? The next one we have is, let's see, I'll come back to the videos a bit. Okay, so research. So for research, there is research in academia, there is research in your business. So for tools in research, AI tools for research, you could use Perplexity, a very great tool for academia, okay, with citing your sources. You could see I didn't add ChatGPT because ChatGPT for academia doesn't cite correct sources, okay? So a very great tool is Perplexity in academia. There is also Google Gemini, and then there is also Microsoft Copilot. With Google Gemini, it's able to browse online, search for information, and then analyze the information and then present facts. The same with Copilot. Copilot is able to also search online. With Perplexity, it has the offline version that has a database of several articles or journals, okay? And then it has the Copilot for online searching of information. Okay, so for this purpose, let me introduce Perplexity. Perplexity AI, a very good tool for research. 5 minutes. Time. Okay, so this is Perplexity. So with Perplexity, like I said, there is a free version. There is also a pro version. You can get any research data backed with sources, okay? Articles, journals, academic papers, all right? And then on any topic, that you want. So for research, let's give it a topic or a title. And then, so you can do, let's see, let's see, climate change in Ghana. So you can search for, so this is Perplexity working. You could see the most useful part of the Perplexity is that it's not just writing, it is citing articles, sources that you can click to the pages where the papers are located. So climate change has significant impacts on country people, but there is sources, 1, 2, 3 papers to back up this claim. The second paragraph too, sources 3, 4, 4. When you click on any, so that is it. So Perplexity is a very good tool for research that you need it for your research for either your business or for academia. Okay, so in the last presentation, people were talking about AI checks and plagiarism checks and so on and so forth. There is one great tool called the Quillbot. Okay, that will help you to, so you copy the content that has been generated by AI, and then you paste it to paraphrase in Quillbot to paraphrase the content. So significant effect. So it has paraphrased the content for you, and then this content, when copied, cannot be detected by the AI detectors, such as AI detectors and Turnitin and co. All right. So Perplexity is a very good tool. The Pro version helps you to get access to online search and so on and so forth. Okay. Now let's come back to our video if it will load without any issue. There seems to be a problem with this AI too. Slow. Still slowing down. But let's take in any questions. All right, so the road ahead. Now, Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million jobs could be lost or diminished due to AI. What is it for the future for workers, for businesses, and so on and so forth? So this shouldn't scare you. This only means that you should learn the skill of using AI to make your life efficient. And then, of course, you'll be preferred in the future. You'll be preferred with your skill of the ability to use AI to accomplish tasks easier. And then we also have here Nivea's new AI nurses treat patients for $9 per hour. What does this mean for the future of nurses? Okay, so that means that nurses should also be abreast with AI stuff, or they will be replaced. So this is a discussion, a very good discussion for the future of work. And then Tesla's new robot, Tesla also made a new robot, an AI humanoid robot that could perform tasks like humans, walk, run, and so on and so forth, talk. So that is it, the future of AI. it also means that you also have to be abreast with the skill of the AI, else you'll be left behind. So thank you so much. Any questions?
Thank you so much, Eric. So yeah, we have one question coming from the Word of God Hub, and the question is: cybersecurity is a major concern for businesses. How do AI tools integrate with cybersecurity measures to protect businesses?
All right. So the first issue that is raised with cybersecurity is the privacy concerns. Okay, so currently, AI is an emerging technology, and so there are now laws that are beginning to deal with the privacy concerns that have been raised with regards to the data provided by individuals and then also businesses. Okay, so but for now, when you are using the AI, they usually caution you to not share any information that you wouldn't want to be used to train the AI or to be out there. Okay, so confidential information from your organization shouldn't go into the AI system. Okay, so but that's for now. But there are obviously laws that are being drafted to deal with the emergence of AI data and privacy concerns. Thank you.
Thank you, Eric. So that goes for that question. Another one I wanted to ask is, with regards to being descriptive, I think it's cast across most of these graphic tools that you mentioned, where you have to be very descriptive to give a good prompt to get the right image you want. What if somebody is not well versed in being that descriptive? I mean, some AI tools give you examples or samples of that, but what if the person doesn't know how? Is there any other tool the person can use to help them to be descriptive to get the images that they want?
Exactly. What you are talking about, we call it the prompt engineering. So you have no idea what to write in the prompt. You could describe what you want in probably ChatGPT or any of the text generating tools. And then what the text generating will do is that they will give you the excellent prompt for you to copy and paste in these tools to help you to get the perfect product that you want. So for example, you describe what you want. I want to create a business flyer for my organization. Generate a perfect prompt for use in generating the business flyer for any of them. So Midjourney, then AI ChatGPT will generate the prompt for you, and then you copy the prompt and then put it inside of the Midjourney or Lexica.art or Microsoft Designer or any of them. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for pointing that out to us. So about misconceptions, are there any common misconceptions or myths that I know about AI tools for business growth that you can highlight so that people can, along the journey from what you've taught us, they would know that, okay, I've come across this misconception and I know it's not true. Is there any misconception with regards to AI tools for business growth that you can address?
Okay, so one of the common misconception that people usually talk about is you cannot the acceptance of AI. You see, currently when people use AI, there's a bit of who reads the thing and sees that it is AI, and then will it be accepted, and so on and so forth. The truth of the matter is that AI is here to stay. AI is going to be accepted, will be accepted, and then AI is the future. So you have to upskill yourself with regards to AI. Thank you.
Thank you, Eric. So yes, we still have some more minutes. You can drop your questions in the chat box and they'll be well addressed. So with regards to real life case scenarios, can you give us success stories that shows how AI has really improved other businesses? Can you cite examples of such to our viewers?
Oh, yes, please. So for one clear example is the YouTube automation. A lot of people are making money on YouTube. And, you know, initially it was you go and take the video yourself, you read the script, or you hire someone to read the script. And a whole lot of processes that goes on into creating a perfect video for YouTube. It isn't like that anymore. You could just create a script with ChatGPT or any of the AI tool, give the script to 11 Labs to generate an audio, and then you could use any of the image generating tools for images and so on and so forth, and then you publish on YouTube and then get money. Another one is also, I think someone mentioned scripts. People are generating stories, okay? They're generating stories with AI, and then they refine the stories, they create a bit of art, attach it to their story, and then they publish on Amazon. Is it the PDF? Amazon Books, where people buy, and then they just do the price 0.99, and then they are generating a lot of money. It's working for lots of people. So I think that we should also embrace AI tools and then also use it to generate income for ourselves. Thank you.
Okay, so talking about embracing AI tools, there's a question from Madam Florence Abinatofa. She's asking that, what is the adoption rate of AI in Africa and Ghana?
Okay, so the adoption rate currently, the only tool that has been widely used is ChatGPT, like we all know. But the other tools that could help with other areas, like we have presented, are not well known. But the very tool that people know is the ChatGPT. So the adoption rate is, let's say for ChatGPT is a bit high. Now people are using ChatGPT for social media posts and the rest. But the rest of the tools, okay, the rest of the tools. So like we are educating people on the tools, the adoption rate for the rest of the tools will also go up. Image generation, graphics, video, product design, and so on and so forth. Thank you.
Okay. So one last question before we let you go. So is there any other, I mean, in terms of search engines, with regards to being updated with these tools, because there are more AI tools coming up, is there any particular search engine that you recommend that we can stay updated with, or we can just go to Google and just get access to all?
Okay, so use Google Gemini. So the reason why I like Google Gemini is because it has the ability to search online and then give you all the information you want. So any thoughts that you have, write it. So like you are saying, give me the list of AI tools on, let's say, graphic design, and then you add search online. Immediately, the AI will get to work. It will search online for all the available updated AI tools, the latest ones, and then it will give you the results. I like Google Gemini because of its ability to search online and then give you data that is relevant and also updated.
So thank you for pointing that to us. So Google Gemini is one key tool to get updated with all the AI tools coming up. So yes, we have to just draw the curtains. Thank you so much for this informative session. I mean, I've learned so much. it's just a pointer to us that there is no excuse for you not to boost your business or to start a business, because you've taken us through business ideation tools, you've taken us through content creation tools, social media, we've done marketing, graphic design, audio. So there's no excuse at all for all of us. And it's really, really informative. So thank you so much, Eric Appiah, for doing this for all of us. And also to our participants, thank you for your engagement and your insightful contributions. So kindly also note that the part 1 of this session can be found on the US Embassy YouTube live videos. So in case you missed out on the first one, you can go ahead and then start from there and continue to this session. So before ending today's program, I want you to know about an amazing online resource that you may find helpful. This is the eLibrary USA. The eLibrary USA is a state-of-the-art digital library with 9 premium electronic databases that include digital newspapers, magazines, journals, videos, and dissertations. Usually this resource is only available at our American spaces, but with the global pandemic, we are opening up access to this amazing resource. If you are interested, please sign up using the link that can be found in the comment section below. And so this program was proudly brought to you by the US Embassy Ghana, American Corner Boba, in partnership with Mobile Web Ghana. And that concludes our program. Please follow us on our YouTube channel for more virtual programs. So do have a wonderful weekend up ahead. Thank you.